Hi students, how do you find the value of x in this given equation here? For we to be able to find the value of x in this equation, this is exponents. Actually, we are going to simplify. 9 will be 3 square and 27 will be 3 power 3. So you have 3 square times 3 power 4 over x, 4x equals to 3 power 3 in the bracket x minus 1. You combine the exponent, is 3 power 2 plus 4x equals to 3 power 3x, 3x minus 3. Then you add, actually you compare the exponent because bases are the same. So you have 2 plus 4x equals to 3x minus 3. Combining them, you have 5 in the other side equals to negative x equals to negative 5, dear students. Thank you. This is how we are supposed to solve this kind of equations.